All right, so 15% of 30. It says create a model, but we're going to hold off on that for now because I'm really kind of worried it's going to make you more confused. So right now, let's just start with this. 15% of 60. All right, so what does that mean? If I was going to do this the easiest possible way, what does that mean I would do? I would take 15% and I would turn it into a decimal number. What would that be? All right, you should have said 1500s. And I have to make that of 60, and the of here means multiply. Okay, so I'm going to multiply them. Now, I could just start by putting all zeros here, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, whatever. But another way to make it kind of a shortcut is just pretend right now. Let's just pretend I'm going to multiply by 6 instead of 60. But I leave this 0 here because it really is 60. It's not really 6. And now I can multiply these to make this easier. Okay, 6 times 5. Hopefully you said 30. Then 6 times 1. That's 6 plus this 3. That's 9. So it comes out as 900. But really, 900 is not 15% of 30 because, I mean, 15% of 60 because what we're looking for is a smaller number, smaller than 60. But how many decimal places did I have over here with the 0.15 and the 60? Well, 60 doesn't have any decimal places. What about 0.15? Yeah, I have 2. I have the 5 and I have the 1. So that means I need to come over here to this 900. I need to start counting from the end. 1, 2, because there were 2 here, and that is where my decimal will be. So the answer should be 9.